In today's digital economy, building software is no longer the hard part. Building stable, accountable engineering teams that can deliver consistently over time is. Many organizations still rely on traditional outsourcing or short-term contractors to move fast. At first, it works, but over time, teams change, knowledge disappears, velocity drops, and delivery becomes unpredictable. This is why more technology leaders are moving toward a dedicated team model, and why we built this model at GTEMAS as a core partnership offering. Most outsourcing models optimize for short-term output, deliver features, close milestones, move on. But modern digital products are living systems. They evolve continuously and require teams that understand not just the code, but the business logic, user behavior, and long-term architecture decisions behind it. The most common problems we see across organizations are high turnover that destroys institutional knowledge, repeated onboarding and redocumentation, declining quality as teams change, misalignment between delivery teams and business goals. These are not technical problems, they are structural problems, and they cannot be solved with more vendors or tighter contracts. A dedicated team is a long-term engagement model where a group of engineers works exclusively on a client's product, roadmap, and objectives. Unlike traditional outsourcing, a dedicated team is fully committed to one client, integrates into internal workflows, tools, and ceremonies, grows product knowledge over time, evolves with the business, not just the backlog. In practice, a dedicated team operates like an extension of an in-house engineering team, without the burden of recruitment, HR, or operational overhead. This model is especially effective for organizations building core platforms, scaling digital products, or managing complex, long-term initiatives. Stable teams outperform rotating teams. When engineers stay on the same product, they build deep system understanding, make better architectural decisions, and reduce long-term risk. Dedicated teams eliminate the constant reset cycle caused by staff turnover. Hiring senior engineers internally can take months. Dedicated teams at GTEMAS are typically operational within weeks, allowing companies to scale engineering capacity quickly without compromising quality. With a dedicated team, costs are transparent and consistent. There are no hidden recruitment fees, no surprise overheads, and no long-term employment liabilities. Clients retain control over priorities, roadmap decisions, and product ownership. GTEMAS handles talent sourcing, performance management, and operational stability behind the scenes. Dedicated teams are designed for ongoing collaboration. They evolve with your product and can scale up or down as your business needs change. Not all dedicated teams are the same. At GTEMAS, we designed our model around ownership, capability, and long-term alignment. We do not match resumes, we match capabilities. Our engineers are evaluated continuously across technical skill, delivery performance, and professional maturity. This allows us to assemble teams that are production ready from day one and aligned with your technology stack and business context. GTEMAS dedicated teams integrate directly into your environment, your tools, your workflows, your delivery rituals, your quality standards. This ensures alignment without losing autonomy or speed. One of the biggest causes of turnover in engineering teams is stagnation. GTEMAS invests heavily in structured learning, certification paths, and long-term career development. The result is simple. Engineers stay longer, grow stronger, and deliver better results over time. We operate with clear governance, performance tracking, and delivery visibility. Clients have full insight into progress, team structure, and cost, creating trust and predictability throughout the engagement. Many clients start with a dedicated team and later evolve toward more strategic models, including Build, Operate, Transfer, BOT. This flexibility allows organizations to grow engineering capability at their own pace.